All right, guys, we are on step 8. That is creating a works cited. The good news is you only have 3 resources, and they're already in perfect MLA fashion, with the exception of some font and formatting. So we'll just need to move them around a little bit and make them look a lot like this example right here. So if we click on that. This, by the way, the Purdue Online Writing Lab. If you're into MLA or you have questions that aren't answered on any of these, you can find all of the answers over here. But this is an example of what our works cited will look like. You can see they look a lot like the citations we already have. We'll just arrange them in alphabetical order. C, D, E, G. This one actually you ignore the and it's the I, L, and eventually we'll get the formatting done in step 9. So we're going to start actually on our research paper. Now my last step in the research paper, I put all of my in-text citations in. I did find that missing number 1. I had actually mislabeled it as a 2. But it's down here in case anyone was just dying to know the outcome of that from step 7. But to create my works cited, I need to create a new document. That means breaking off from the paper, not opening a brand new document, just making a new page within this document. I may have misspoken. To do that, you hit Control and then Enter, and it will start you a second page. See, there's my paper, and this is going to be my works cited. So now I go and grab my citations. They're right here, right where I left them. I'm not going to cut them. I'm going to copy them. So I'm going to copy that one over, and I'm going to drop it in there. Then I go back and get my next one. It's over here with this Blastos guy. Now, his last name is V, and V goes after B. See the big bend here? We're going to put these in alphabetical order. So B comes before V, so I'll put my V right there. And I'm pretty sure there's one that goes in the middle. So I go back over here. And I look for my next citation. Aha, there it is with Raleigh. So I grab this guy and I Control C him. And I bring him over here and I Control V him. So now I have, I'm going to put a line between each one for now, just to space them out. So I have this one, this one, this one, and B, R, and V. Now there's one other thing we need to figure out, and that is how to do what's called the hanging indent. And you do that, I may have to work with it a minute to remember. Nope, not by that. One way you can do it would just be to hit Enter and then Tab, which may be the easiest thing to do, actually. Although I'm in the wrong spot. Isn't that funny? Ha! Ha! Just kidding. So we come over here, and we'll need to clean these up first. Looks like somebody, oh, it's because of that. Okay. So Enter and then Tab, and you can create the hanging indent effect. There is ways you can do it with the margins, but to be honest with you, that also messes up some of the formatting on other pages, and it's just not that big of a deal right now. All this extra space that shows up, that gets sorted out later because we have to double space this anyway. So there we have our hanging indent, works cited. They are all in there together. This I couldn't fix because of the URL is too long, is what was making that mess up. But that is on the citation, not on me. So that is the way it should look at this point. The only thing that should be left to do is to center this, which I'll do. And then I have to deal with the font and the spacing, but that happens in the research paper as well, because you can see this one is not properly formatted yet either. So all of that will happen in step 9.